Can you fire 11, please? Yo!
Fire 2 WC land, both medium.
How was your champagne?
Pretty good.
Okay, good. Yeah, take your time. So this is made by the producer Gobelsberg. It's coming from the village in Austria known as the Kamptal. The grape here is native to Austria. It's called Gruner Veltliner. It's from the 2018 vintage. Take a picture of your bottle? Okay. I really enjoy Gruner. It's very eclectic, but absolutely beautiful. You're welcome.
So this is a classic of Mr. Sommelier.
Chef, can you fire Durod on 11?
Blake,
Fire to the rod.
Blake, before what week, is there any way they can come Friday?
It has like that, like warm fall spices, beautiful orchard fruits. It does have a little bit of like a menthol or like a eucalyptus. Do you get like menthol or eucalyptus along with like oak spices? But it's gorgeous, right? I know.
I can go with that.
But it could be flint too.
Slightly flinty.
Definitely flinty.
Is the mineral from the, I think, the...
Because I thought I got like mint or eucalyptus. So now we're going to travel to my favorite area in the world for wine. We're going to go to Burgundy. This is central eastern France. And we were kind of already talking about low alcohol. This is going to be in that same style. But because it's Chardonnay, you're going to have a little bit more of a creamy texture compared to the Gruner. So this is from the producer Bouchard. Dishes you're going to receive, which is our Durod fish you have coming out next. Thank you. Behind you. Right behind you. Thank you.
Thanks, dude. I got you.
I love it, bro.
Let me see your Orange Swiss Tech right now, brother.
All right. So, you're the lucky owner of the last bottle we have. The Desiree Petit Trousseau. Yeah.
You do both. So you're going to open it and video.
Exactly. Exactly. It smells great up here too. Okay, excellent. I agree. I just feel like it's delicate, but there's still so much flavor. Trying to use my regular corkscrew in there. Coming from the producer Piper Heidsieck, but they call this champagne rare. I do find there's a little bit of tropical acidity on the palate. I think of kind of quince, starfruit, meant to go along with one of the newer dishes that's on your menu coming out next, the asparagus. Cheers, thank you. Now we're gonna head to Greece. So this is coming from a producer known as Katima Girivasariou, and the grape here is called Malagosia, which this gentleman saved from extinction. Thank you.
By the way, that they have no muscles.
It's from the region of Cognac, which is near the Bordeaux region that I gave you the red. So the grapes that are used to make this are Uni Blanc, Colombard, and Fol Blanche. There's 3 grapes grown in this area, and it's made into a wine first. The wine is then distilled twice. The liquid that comes out of the still, which is brandy, it actually goes into some of the most sought after French oak barrels in the world. He's ready, chef?
Wait.
It's 33.
Yeah,
Thank you.
That's fine. Let's do it.
so Sonny, please be careful. They all had blades.
¿Todo el jugo de los 3 limones?
Sí. I heard you guys.
That's really dope. Anyways.
Can you fire 33? Yo!
Fire 2 WC lane, both mid-rear.
Ooh. There's even like a hint of like melon with this burgundy. It's really beautiful. We're gonna go to Burgundy for your next course. So this is Central Eastern France. This is coming from the winemakers Boisson Charles. It's coming from the village Meursault. The single vineyard, it's known as Les Cras. 2022 is the vintage. So it should smell a little bit like baking spices. Think of vanilla, cinnamon, clove. You're gonna even have this aroma of, I get like melon, but you also have orchard fruits, yellow apples and yellow pears.
Fish course here is a fish from the Mediterranean in the sea green family. It is dorade.
I'm the same.
Can you fire the dessert on 11, please?
That's the thing.
Might as well.
Oh, wow. Hello again.
I might as well. Come on, if you enjoyed it so much.
course.
It's kind of known as Barsac, very similar in style. 2006 is the vintage, made by the producer Chateau Clément. So as you can see by the color, a lot of oak influence, you know. You do have the dried fruits, the dried apricots, the dried peaches. Picture of this next to your glasses? Okay.
You might as well.
Yeah, you've been doing a really good job at documenting everything so far. Yep.